Namaste, I am JVN Seema Panchal from Department of Journalism, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Students, in this session today I will teach you History of Radio in India. Like any other nation, the radio was started in India in an experimental way. The technology of radio attracted the Indians and the facility to transmit voice messages over it thrilled them. As a result, amateur radio clubs got started in various cities of India. Simultaneously, experimental radio broadcasts started throughout India. As per records, the first radio club to start functioning and air programs was the Bombay Radio Club in June 1923, and in November 1923 the Calcutta Radio Club started airing the programs. The Madras Presidency Club started its broadcasting service in 1923. In 1927, the Indian Broadcasting Company received the license from the government to start radio stations in Calcutta and Bombay. By 1930, the Indian Broadcasting Company went bankrupt. All India Radio, the radio broadcasting in India was then taken over by the British government, having encouraged Marconi and experienced the reach of radio. The British didn't waste much time in starting the first radio network of India, namely the All India Radio. In 1930, they took over the two transmitter of the bankrupt Indian Broadcasting Company and started radio broadcasting under the name the Indian State Broadcasting Service ISBS under the Department of Labor and Industries. Impact of Second World War. The British government made use of the radio very well during the Second World War to reach the public. The first news bulletin was started in 1936 in AIR. After independence, when India attained independence, there were 6 radio stations in India at Bombay, Delhi, Calcutta, Madras, and some other cities. There were 3 in Pakistan. AIR then had a coverage of just 2.5% of the area and 11% of the population. The following year, the Central News Organization was split up into two divisions, the News Service Division and the External Services Division. Vivid Bharati, for a long time the radio broadcasting in India had education and information as the main objectives, but the commercial potential of the radio was well demonstrated by Radio Ceylon, the radio of Sri Lanka. Radio Ceylon was quite popular because of its film, song and film based programs. The popularity of Radio Ceylon was encouraged by the Sri Lankan government through advertisements. In similar lines of Radio Ceylon, Vivid Bharati was started in 1957 to fulfill the commercial objectives. The Vivid Bharati venture was an instant hit as entertainment through film songs was its main aim, and its popularity was evident from the advertisements that poured for the Vivid Bharati. Vivid Bharati enjoyed popularity and revenue at par with the private FM channels of today. FM transmission. The FM transmission frequency modulation service of All India Radio was started long back in 1977, but it didn't make much difference or turn the entire audience towards it instantly. Vivid Bharati continued to have its popularity and the other stations too kept educating and informing the public, but FM phenomena gained its name and fame when it was decided to give certain slots of the FM channels to private bodies. FM phenomena in India. The actual FM phenomena started happening in India when the Indian government decided to give permission to the private channels in 2000. Radio City Bangalore was the first to start in 2001. The 24 hours programs of private FM channels, mainly comprising of film songs and other film-based programs, was a huge hit. An added reason for the popularity of FM was the mobile revolution that was simultaneously taking place in India, so the people could listen to their favorite FM programs even while traveling and while at work. Such flexibility only went on to increase the reach and popularity of FM channels. With this, today's session is ended here. Tomorrow we will discuss another topic. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. I will sort out it soon.